How to fix TikTok showcase not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure your application is updated in order to fix the showcase feature. First of all, head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in TikTok. At times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So make sure that you see open here instead of update. Even if you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. You have to search for TikTok. So tap on to TikTok. Scroll below, tap on storage. Here you may go ahead and clear the cache if you have any. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead, tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back here, tap on force stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your TikTok, and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then that feature is simply not enabled in your region. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.